ASHLYN, and today we're going to make sushi. Cut these things out. I'm going to start with the plates. This one here. This is for the rice later. Let's look what's inside. This is a pipette, a stirrer. There's a packet of flour thing to make the sushi and to make the seaweed. Arrange it in order. First, I'm going to open the blue packet. It's going to be the egg. No, you pour always there. Put the water. Okay, mix. And this is how it looks like. Pour it. I go pour it. This is the red one. Now we're going to take some water. We're going to put it inside here. Red there. Yeah. Make it move this seaweed. Open it up. Now I am done making the seaweed. Now we're going to pour the green one, this green packet, inside the egg. Because we're going to squeeze it in and we're going to drop it like a small dots. Let's do it. Measure the size of it. Okay, this size. It's sticky that I cannot do it. And then she still asks me, can I do her? I'm going to on the rice. So hard, so slippery. Okay. It's like jelly. See what it looks like. I'm going to wrap the sushi with this seaweed. Sauce on the sushi. Only some of them. Sushi! So I'm gonna eat the same one first. Whip. No, cannot whip. That one tastes like strawberry. And then the rice just don't taste like anything. Let us try the yellow one. I'm going to try the without sauce one. I don't feel like trying the rice, but no choice. Apple. Yeah, the yellow one tastes like apple, and then the rice should taste the same. The sauce tastes like nice. The sauce don't taste like anything. Yeah. Sauce just put like sauce.
But that was share drop, so you choose others.
I'm going to try it. Ice sour, orange flavor. Look,
It's orange flavor.
It tastes like sweet. It tastes like sweet. Oh look, my tooth dropped out.
Your tooth.
Tastes orange. This is tastes
Oh wait,
orange. The seaweed tastes like sweet. It's sweet. It is sour a bit, but now it's not sour. But the first time when you taste is sour, very sour. And then the bubbles, I think the bubble just tastes like nothing. For watching, like and subscribe my videos.